So given question is asked in GATE CSE 2015. So here they have given a program and asked what will be the output of the program. Okay. So here there are three functions f1, f2 and f3 are defined, and here there is a global variable x which is having value 10. So okay, so we have here a variable x which is having value 10. Here there is a main function. In main function we have a variable x which is having value 1. Okay, so this x belongs to main function. Now here in main we have x plus equal to f1, f2, f3 plus f2. Okay, which means x equal to x plus this f1, then f2, then f3 and f2. So x equal to x plus, so what is the value of x? That is 1 plus f1. We need the value of whatever this f1 is returning. Okay, so here in f1, see this is int f1 means it will return integer type value here, and in f1 we have a variable x and having value 25. Okay, and here x plus plus, so this 25 is incremented by 1 and become 26. Now in f2 we have a variable x which is static type. Okay, so x is, and value of x is 50. Okay, so this x is become 50 plus, sorry, x plus plus, so this 50 become 51. Okay, and return x, so this 51 will be returned. So from first this f1 what return 26, and from this call of f2 return value is 51 plus we have called f3. So here f3, in f3 they haven't defined any x, so we don't have any local x of f3, so we will go for global variable x. Okay, because normally in C we follow on this static type of scoping. Okay, so what is the value of x here? 10. 10 into 10 will be 100. Okay, so this in this f3 call we will make this global variable x with 100. Okay, 10 into 10 will become 100 and return x, so 100 will be returned here plus 100 plus, at last they have called f2. Okay, in f2 this x variable was static variable. Okay, so here this will be 51 and x plus plus, again increment will be done, so this 51 will become 52 and return x, so 52 will be returned here. Now in next line printf percentile d x, so what will be the value of x? Add these values, so this will become 230. Okay, so output of this program will be 230. Okay, 230. So our correct output is 230. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.